Hey guys, I have a super quick video on the break and the continue statements. Let's begin with the break statement. The break statement breaks out of a loop entirely. In this example, I'm going to create a for loop. We will count the numbers 1 through 20. However, once we reach 13, I would like to exit this loop because 13 is considered an unlucky number. I know it's a weird example. So let's define our counter I equals 1. And I will continue this as long as I is less than or equal to 20, then increment I by 1. For the time being, let's display whatever I is. This will display the numbers 1 through 20. If I would like to break out of this loop entirely, if we reach the number 13, I can add a break statement. So let's check to see if I is equal to 13. If it is, then we'll break. Okay, we have the numbers 1 through 12, then we break. There's also the continue statement. It will skip an iteration of a loop. If we replace break with continue, we will skip that specific iteration and continue on. So we have 1 through 20, but the number 13 is not here. So that's the main difference between break and continue. Break will break out of a loop entirely. Continue will skip only that iteration. So yeah, those are the differences between the break and continue statements.